Solving simultaneous equations. Two x plus y is equal 10 is first equation. X subtract y is equal to is second equation. Adding first equation and second equation. 2x plus y plus x subtract y is equal 10 plus 2 is equal to 8. Positive y and negative y are cancelled out. 2x plus x, 3x is equal to 8. Both sides divide by 3. X is equal 4. By substituting x is equal 4 in first equation. By substituting x is equal 4 in first equation. 2 times 4 plus y is equal 10. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus y is equal 10. Y is equal 10 plus subtract 8 is equal 2. Then solution is x is equal 4. Solution is x is equal 4, y is equal 2. Then we check the answer, accuracy of answer. X is equal 4. 4 subtract 2 is equal 2. Yes, answer is correct. Solving simultaneous equations using subtraction. X plus 2y is equal 7. It's first equation. X plus y is equal 4. It's second equation. In these equations, the coefficient of x is equal. Therefore, to eliminate x, we must subtract one equation from the other equation. Signs also same. Coefficient of x is equal. Signs also equal. If the coefficients are equal and signs are different, we can add in those two equations. But here coefficients are equal. Signs also equal. Now we subtract one equation from another. Here coefficient of y is larger than coefficient of y in first equation. Now we subtract second equation from first equation. X plus 2y. Subtract. There is a subtraction. It's essential to use brackets with right x plus y. Here it's essential to use brackets. 7 subtract 4. X plus 2y subtract x subtract y. Here signs of these terms are changed. 7 subtract 4 is equal 3. Positive x and negative x are cancelled out. 2y subtract y is y. Y is equal 3. By substituting y is equal 3 in here x plus y is equal 8 is first equation. 2x plus y is equal to its second equation. In these equations, coefficient of y is equal. Signs also equal. Therefore, to eliminate y, we must subtract one equation from another. X here, coefficient of 2 is more than coefficient of this x. Now, we can subtract first equation from second equation. It's easy. 2x plus y subtract x plus 1 is equal to subtract 8. Here first equation is subtract from second equation. First we write the terms of first equation in left hand side. In right hand side we write the number of first equation here 2. Subtract 8. 2x plus y. We change the signs of the terms in brackets. Subtract x. Subtract y. Here here's negative 8. We can write it also 2 plus negative 8. Here 2 subtract from 8 is equal 6. Sign is negative. We write the negative numbers within brackets. Positive y and negative y are cancelled out. 2x subtract x is equal negative 6. By substituting x is equal negative 6 in first equation. In first equation, x is equal negative 6 plus y is equal 8. Y is equal 8. We take this negative 1 to right hand side. It is changed to positive 6. Sorry, negative 6 is taken to the right hand side. Y is equal 14. The solution is x is equal negative 6 and y is equal 14. We can check the accuracy of the answer. 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b is equal 16. 4a plus 3b is equal 26. First equation, second equation. In this equation, the coefficient of b is equal. Signs also equal. Therefore, to eliminate b, we subtract first equation from second equation. Because 4 is more than 2. Then we subtract first equation from second equation. 4a plus 3b subtract 2a plus 3b is equal 26 subtract 16. As there is a subtraction, it's essential to use brackets and write this way because the signs of the terms, sign of each term is changed. Here positive 2a, it is changed to negative 2a. Positive 3b, it is changed to negative 3b. Positive 16, it is changed to negative 16. 4a plus 3b. 26 subtract 16 is equal 10. 3b and 3b cancel out. 4a subtract 2a is equal to 2a is equal to, both sides divide by 2, a is equal 5. By substituting a is equal 5 in first equation, 2 times 5 plus 3b is equal 16. 2 times 5 is equal 10. 10 plus 3b is equal 16. 3b is equal 16. We take this positive 10 to the negative 10. It is subtraction. See. 2a subtract 3b is equal 1. Its first equation. Negative 5a subtract 3b equal negative 13. Its second equation. Here coefficient of b is equal. We subtract one equation from another. Here this sign is negative. By subtracting, by subtracting the sign of second equation is changed. We subtract second equation from first equation. 2a subtract 3b subtract negative 5a subtract 3b is equal 1 subtract negative 13. 2a subtract 3b. Negative 5a is changed to positive 5a. Negative 3b is changed to positive 3b is equal 1 plus negative 13 is changed to positive 13. Negative 3b and positive 3b are cancelled out. 2a plus 5a is equal 7a. 1 plus 13 is equal 14. Both sides divide by 7. A is equal 2. By substituting A is equal to, in first equation, 2 times 2 subtract 3b is equal 1. 2 times 2, 4. 4 subtract 3b is equal to, 1. Positive 4 is changed to negative 4. 1 subtract negative 4. Negative 3b. 1 subtract from negative 4 is equal negative 3. Both sides divide by negative 3.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and join with us.